Bienvenidos a otra clase de español. ¿Cómo están todos hoy? Espero que estén bien. Today we're going to talk about subject pronouns. Does everybody know what subject pronouns are? If you don't know what a subject pronoun is, raise your hand. Remedial English is meeting down the hall. You can go meet with them. No, anyway, subject pronouns are things like I, you, he, she, we, they. And in Spanish we have the same things. Necesito un voluntario. ¿Hay alguien? Voluntario? Volunteer? Nobody? Come on guys, I swear I took a shower today. Alright, we're going to have Mr. Television be our volunteer then. Okay, so we have the subject pronouns, yo, I, yo, and then el televisor, señor televisor. It's going to be you, tú, and together, we is nosotros. If I'm saying he, él, or if it were girl television, the ella. And one thing about Spanish is that there's two kind of ways to say you. There's a formal way and an informal way. And to say a formal you, you'd say usted. Earlier we said tú, which is informal, and you'd use that with things like children or close friends, people you really know well. But if you're talking to like your professor, you would say usted. Then we also have, like we said, nosotros, together. And if there's a group of people and you're saying nosotros and it's all males, you always say nosotros with an OS for masculine. But if it's all females, it'd be nosotras. So for all you girls out there, when you're talking about your friends, you could say nosotras. And then we also have vosotros y vosotras. Vosotros is a form you're not going to see a whole lot because it's mostly utilized in Spain, but it means kind of the equivalent of the oki y'all. And this is the informal version, just kind of like with two, we had the formal and the informal. This is the informal. And then we have ustedes, we'll check out the board here. Ustedes is y'all, only it's a formal y'all. And then we have they, ellos, and if you look at ellos, and you kind of remember other things we've talked about, ellos is masculine, and we also have ellas for they. So ellos and ellas for they. And those are kind of our subject pronouns. You guys are going to see more of them as the semester goes on, so get very familiar with them. Don't want you messing those up.